Guys, come join me on our Williamsburg, Virginia vacation. I wanted to show you guys the resort that we're going to be staying at. It's absolutely beautiful. So as soon as you walk into the foyer, they have this beautiful, beautiful artwork. Very simple, very subtle, but absolutely beautiful. First things first is this beautiful kitchen here. It's very spacious. Beautiful granite countertop. It is huge, it is massive. It converts over into a bar. We have our double sinks. They also have a dishwasher here for us. They have a ton of cabinetry here from the top to the bottom, uppers and downers. Here we have our stovetop microwave, flat top stove, love it, more cabinetry, guys. Your regular size refrigerator here. Refrigerator and freezer. We have our washroom here. We have a washer and dryer combo, which I absolutely love. Now this is the best feature that I really like that you typically don't see. We have a pantry. Look at that. A nice size pantry here, so that we can put our items in just like we're at home. So I love this, almost like a home away from home. And then we come over here and we pan to our dining room area. Now this dining room sits up to six people. Love, love, love this. Again, the beautiful artwork on the wall here in the dining room. Love this. Love the stuff. This have the chandelier hanging here over the dining room table. It just adds to the ambiance here as we sit as a family. I love it. Wall art here. Beautiful end table here that we can use. I love it. Is massive, guys, so it's enough for our family to really enjoy and sit and have a fun time during the evening as we wind down. But again, my favorite feature in this particular room has to be the fireplace, guys. Has to be the fireplace. We'll let you see what that looks like a little bit with the lights off. Just dimmed it a little bit. You get what we're talking about. We're going to enjoy this evening. We also have a balcony here. That looks out over this beautiful courtyard that shows all, not really all, but a lot of the amenities that they offer here for our family. Just a beautiful view, whether it's when we wake up in the morning or when we get ready to wind down in the evening. It's a beautiful view of the property. Absolutely love it. So as you can see, this is one of the pools here that we have access to. There is a fitness room here in this building, along with a whole bunch of other office space and amenities here. We have the park for the littles, cornhole, basketball court, soccer out there in the field. We have our own putt-putt golf. All this here is some of the amenities that they offer here on this property, all exclusive, all included. I absolutely love it. But again, this is one, oh, I almost missed it. We have a volleyball court over there on the other side. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll definitely try to get some footage of it at some point. But this is just an amazing property. Come on, guys, as I take you on a tour of the master bedroom. I think you're gonna absolutely love it. But first things first, we're gonna show you this beautiful, beautiful bath. All right, and for the room tour of the master bedroom, obviously. Beautiful, spacious closet. You guys, we are really spacious closet here. And it also overlooks the courtyard here with the swimming pool. I mean, guys, this is beautiful. It doesn't get any better than this. This is absolutely amazing. I hope you guys enjoy the mini tour. There's some things that I didn't show because we were kind of already unpacked, like the guest bathroom, which is beautiful, just as beautiful as the master bath. So there's two baths, there's two rooms, there's two queen size beds in the first room for the littles, and then we have the king size bed here in the master suite. We have the living space, which is the living room that I showed you guys, the beautiful immaculate kitchen, the dining area, the patio. I'm sure I'm missing something, but anyway, I just wanted to show you guys a sneak peek of the beautiful resort that we're staying on here in Williamsburg. Absolutely amazing. Make sure to like and make sure to subscribe to the channel for further information and notifications. Thank you so much. Love you, King's Kids.